Well, I had migraines for years, and I came to see Dr. Amanda, and she gave me an assessment, and she started my adjustments, and I no longer have migraines, and I'm able to enjoy my life. I don't fear having those migraines anymore. I get to play with my grandchildren and get to exercise now. I'm no longer a prisoner of those headaches anymore, and I get to exercise, and I've lost weight, and it's just amazing. And I love these doctors. They are so nice and so friendly. I feel like I've come to see some of my family when